Rooftop Tent Usage Guide. Unlock the clips on both sides at the rear of the rooftop tent, and push upwards to open the tent. The ladder is normally stored inside the tent. If necessary, you can increase your height by standing on a portable toilet, as demonstrated in the video. Retrieve the ladder and undo the clasps that secure it. Extend the ladder to its full length and hook the clasps at the top of the ladder into the slots at the rear edge of the tent. Once the ladder is positioned and secured, ensure that there is a gap equivalent to the width of 4 fingers between the ladder and the taillight above the rear door. This precaution is taken both for safety reasons and to protect the rear door and taillight from being damaged by the pressure of the ladder. After opening the tent, pull down the black elastic bands and slot them into the grooves on the sides of the tent. When closing the tent, pull them back towards the center of the tent. This effectively aids in the tent's stowage. Each side of the tent's base features a socket. Insert the vertical, L-shaped end of the pole into the socket. Note: you must insert it into both holes simultaneously. Apply force to arc the pole upwards, and then secure the U-shaped end into the round opening located on the tent's sunshade. This ensures your tent is properly supported and the awning is effectively utilized. When it's time to close the tent and remove the support poles, start by detaching the U-shaped hooks at the top, then proceed to pull out the L-shaped ends. After removing the poles from both sides, please store them inside the tent. Remove the elastic bands secured in the side grooves, stretch them to the middle of the tent, and then neatly arrange the tent. Carefully descend from the rooftop tent and remove the ladder. You'll notice a bar-shaped button on both sides between each rung of the ladder. Grasp the ladder with both hands and simultaneously push the buttons inward with your thumbs, allowing each section of the ladder to collapse together. Secure the ladder with its storage straps and then place it inside the tent for storage. Finally, gently pull down the tent's upper cover. As you do so, the roof of the tent will come to rest in a horizontal position. At this point, tuck any exposed parts back into the cover. Proper stowage is crucial to prevent damage from being crushed, accelerated aging, discoloration, or deterioration due to high temperatures. Place the pole cord inside the tent as well, then pull down the cover and secure the clasps, both top and bottom. Don't forget to lock the clasps with the specialized key on your keychain. This completes the final step in closing the tent.